Hello and welcome everyone, and thanks for joining me during this workshop about self-portraits. My name, as you know, is Luca Pierro. I'm a visual artist and I'm a stock photographer. I cooperate with some agencies like Plain Pictures or Stock United. So my work is mostly about travels and hikings and different kind of images. But in 2010 I took for 2 or 3 years 100 self-portraits about myself, and this series is quite well known on the internet. And I had many students during those years asking me about information about my work, my equipment, my inspiration. So considering that we are all at home, I decided to make this little workshop, and I hope it will be fun to work with you. I will participate with you, and so I will take some self-portraits as well as you. But the workshop will be divided into sections. In the first section we will look at ourselves. We will start from the idea that we are doing something different from taking our picture. Usually, as you know, when you take a picture, it's a headshot, or maybe you can call it a selfie. But we are doing something a little bit different. We are doing an self-analysis about ourselves. And that's why the first part of the program will be about ourselves, how to look at your personal images, your memories, your emotions, and convey all this word inside your images, your project. In the second part of the program, we will look at some techniques, lightnings, studio setup, and so on. And we will try to create your own style, your own images. And I will give you some tips on how to enhance your images, how to frame it, and how to editing, of course. I hope you will enjoy the program, and please, if you have any questions, reach me on Slack or on Facebook or wherever you want.